Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Tango widget brought to you by the Prime Slider add-on. Let's start with a demonstration. Find the Tango widget inside the widget panel and drag it inside the page. The default interface of the widget splits into 3 columns with a featured slide and 2 slides on each side, creating a hierarchical slider layout. This is a minimalistic slider with a label and title on top of the slider image and features arrows and pagination scroll bar navigation systems. From the options on your left, you can change the number of columns for the slider from 1 to 6. An item gap scroll bar lets you increase the white spaces among the items. Also, you can customize the item's height with a single height adjustment option. The bunch of switchers below are responsible for showing or hiding certain elements from the slider, such as the title, label, arrows, etc. For instance, turning off the pagination switcher will completely hide the scroll bar pagination from the slider. The other options here are the title HTML tag selector, alignment, and image size options. The sliders section is where all the slides are listed. You can reduce the numbers or increase them as you please. Each item box gives you a label field, a title link field, and an image field. You can go ahead and customize them. When you're finished with the rest, go ahead and click the arrows to see the slider in action. The slider settings section has animation controls related to the slider. You can change between carousel and cover flow for the slider layout. Both layouts have different presentation methods. While you are used to carousels, the cover flow layout style will add more motion to your design. Alright, let's switch back to carousel. Moving on to the Style tab, you'll see 5 sections that let you customize the appearance of the slider. There are a bunch of options in each section that let you customize parts of the slider, including the typography of text, padding, border, radius, margin, background colors, etc. Please explore the option to get the best results with your designing ideas. That's all for the Tango Slider widget. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel and get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.